Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm on my 5th and final day here in Benidorm, and it's my final search for accommodation, and I come across this hotel behind me. It hasn't been on the internet all week. I've been looking for it purposely to review it, but I couldn't find it. But for some reason this afternoon it popped up. They said they had one room left. It's the 4-star Flash Hotel, so I'm booked in for the one night half board with a pool view up on the 6th floor in room 614. Let's check out the Flash Hotel. Check-in was dead easy. I did have to sit around for about 20 minutes, half an hour, because I'd literally only just booked the hotel outside before I walked into the hotel, and the confirmation hadn't come through from the booking agency, so I had to sit around for a little bit. Check-in, as I said, was really easy. Just show me passport and make the card transaction, and that was it. The room was available there, and then I'm on the 6th floor in room 614. Now I booked a standard double room, half board with a pool view. So let's have a look around. Again, right by the door, we do have the card slot to activate the electricity. I have had a couple of hotels in this series that have been standard light switches, but back to the card slot. Ensuite, we'll do that in a second. I'm going to have to do a long shot just to get this wardrobe in. It's massive. A floor-to-ceiling wardrobe. Plenty of storage. Couple of blankets. I don't think I'm going to need that because it's absolutely boiling. And we do have a key-operated safe, so I gather you will have to purchase a key for the length of time that you're staying here. Hanging space. More drawer space, and that looks like a quilt. And you do have a huge mirror on the back of the door. Massive wardrobes. Now I've only just noticed that we do have a door. Obviously this is to join to the next room, so these two rooms must be used for families. It's locked, so not a problem. We do have the case stand, a glass top desk with I think it's a fridge, not a minibar. Yes, it's a fridge. The cups are the right way around. People complain when you see the cups facing upwards because of dust. A selection of teas and coffees, and let's check the kettle. Yes, the kettle's fine. Medium-sized flat-screen TV, couple of chairs, and let's have a look at the bed. It's a large room, this. It's on the corner. Quite a nice sized bed. It is a double room. Bedside cabinets, again matching with the glass top, and we do have 2 power points either side. I can't see USBs. No, there's no USBs. Couple of wall lamps, and I stand back and you can get a shot of the wallpaper behind. You can see how big this room is. Quite a nice sized balcony, table and chairs, and we do have 2 pools. The main pool just there, and that's obviously a children's pool. These are our pools here, not the ones at the back. If you look at that one over there, that's the lagoon pool for the Pelicanus Hotel, and that's another pool for the Pelicanus Hotel. That is the Pelicanus Hotel just there, and that's the hotel that was used for the TV series Benidorm. So that is otherwise known as the Solana. And if you carefully look, I'll zoom in. That little bit there with the hut is, that was the pool bar, and that little bit just at the back is the pool that they used in the whole TV series. Just that tiny little bit at the back. Right, let's check the bed. Oh, it's one of them big, huge bolster pillows. And yes, nice and clean. And we have a second sheet on. We don't have a mattress protector, we do have two sheets on. So there's a bottom sheet, which is clean, and your top sheet. That's fine. Right, straight away, it's a massive ensuite. Quite a lot of room in here. Your large sink with a large mirror. We do have a hairdryer and a shaving mirror and power points. Looks like they used to have some sort of soap dispenser, but they don't use it anymore. We do have gel, shower gel, shampoo, some Flash Hotel soap, and Flash Hotel shower cap. Your towels, a large walk-in shower, that is huge. Nice big walk-in shower. Your toilet and bidet. Yes, nice and clean. So try and get a long shot of the ensuite. Let's check out the rest of the hotel. I'm just on my way to catch the coach on Avenida Europa, and I've just come across a couple of viewers. I've got... Who have I got? Oh yeah, I better get Charlie to try and get you in.
Annette. And I'm John.
I'm John from...
Newport in South Wales.
Newport in South Wales. How long have you been in Benidorm? You're going to tell me you live here now, aren't you?
No. Yeah. We've been here a few days and we're here for 2 weeks.
Yeah. You're here for 2 weeks, so how many more weeks have you got? How many more days have you got?
About 10 days more.
10 days, and you're staying?
In the Don Pancho.
Now, I've been trying to book the Don Pancho, but it's fully booked at the present moment, so hopefully in the next video, I might be able to get a booking done. So, what's your plan today?
Well, we had a walk yesterday. We walked all the way along the beach, all the way down to Poniente Beach, down to the end.
Right down. Did you go all the way as far as Calafinish?
Not quite as far as Calafinish.
It's a long walk.
We didn't have quite that much energy.
You said you could do it in an hour and a half, but I'm not sure.
Probably you could, yeah, you could.
Especially if it's busy.
Well, Poniente seems to be more of the quieter side. It's some nice bars down there. Not as many hotels as this end. I mean, this is ridiculous. And are you in Calafinish Strat?
No, we've never been.
Right, you need to get the bus along. I think it's the number 12. 12. You need to get into the triangle in the centre where the big tree is. Yeah. And right by the centre Madeira, you can catch a bus there.
Oh, yeah, I know.
And that will take you over to Calafinish Strat. It's got its own beach, a few hotels and some nice bars sitting on the beach itself. It's got walking along.
Yesterday, coming back, it was just too hot.
I noticed yesterday afternoon was probably the hottest day I've had since I arrived.
And the sun went through my shirt, so it burnt my chest.
Right, so as I said, I'm just going to get on my bus now, so I'll see you later on in the video. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Yeah, safe journey.
Say bye-bye.
Nice to see you. Bye.
It's been slightly hectic this morning because I had to be up for breakfast very early, do me quick recording the footage of the breakfast, and then I had to make my way and make sure I was at the bus stop for 10 o'clock to get me back to Alicante Airport for my flight back to Liverpool. So I'm having to do the final review of the Flash Hotel from Alicante Airport. So what do I think of the 4-star Flash Hotel on the Levante side of Benidorm? Right, when I come to book it, I was a little bit apprehensive on booking it because I've heard so many bad stories about the Flash Hotel. And when I was looking to book it, it wasn't available. But then it popped up yesterday, just the one room. So I thought I'd book it because it was a lot cheaper than most of the hotels around that area because it was a Saturday. They go a lot more expensive for the weekend. So the hotel itself, I was surprised. The staff really friendly. I was given a nice room. I booked a double room with a pool view, the only one that was available, so I didn't really know what to expect, but I got a nice double bed in a nice room. The bed was comfortable, really comfortable, a nice big walk-in shower, and I did have quite a spectacular view overlooking both the pools and the sun lounges. And the good thing about that was I never heard any noise at night time because they closed the pool off at 6 o'clock at night, so you can't access the pool area. So being on the back of the hotel was very quiet because I thought being on the front is overlooking Morgan's Tavern, and it's, if you know that area, the corner of Cala Girona, which is the beginning of the strip, can be very, very noisy, especially at the weekend. But I was on the back of the hotel and I never heard nothing. Good night's sleep. As I say, the staff, absolutely fantastic. The receptionist that I met, she was really helpful, and she's been saying hello to me every time she sees me. Even this morning, she said hello to me about 4 times in the restaurant and on the reception, and goodbye to me as I left. Really friendly staff. Now, as I say, I was shocked with the hotel itself. Very surprised. Very clean. It has a nice big terrace lounge area on the front with the bar and loads of entertainment going on all day, right through to the night time. The room itself, as I say, very, very spacious. Now, I was looking out for disability access because once you enter the main part of the hotel, it's like a swirly ramp. If you've been there before, you know what I'm talking about. that takes you up to the level of the reception, but there is a disability lift as well just as you come into the hotel that takes you up to the reception. There are charging points outside for your motor scooters as well. The pool area, I went down to the pool area, sat around the pool area having a nice drink. Quite busy, quite a few stags and hens in there, but it was a Friday afternoon. Wi-Fi in the hotel, fast Wi-Fi, straight on, not a problem. The TV, English channels, did watch a bit of TV last night, so quite a few English channels. Now regarding the food in the hotel, this is what was putting me off the hotel, was the reviews about the food. Now the evening meal last night, there was a large selection and everything that I ate was really nice. Breakfast this morning wasn't fussy on the bacon or the sausage, but there was a big selection of cereals, fruit juices, your hams, your cheeses, your cakes, your breads. So there was a big selection there for you. Now regarding the price, this is a hard one. Because I got the last room and it was charged as single occupancy, I can only give you the price that I paid for this room, half board for the one night, and I paid £88. I tried to search to find out how much that room would be for two people, but it's not available, and it's not available for the next week or so. So I can't really give you a true price for two people, but I would guess if mine was £88, I would guess probably around the 110 mark for two people for the one night at the 4-star Flash Hotel. And now, would I come back to the Flash Hotel? Of course I would. The staff, the food, the actual hotel, the entertainment, everything I couldn't fault. The hotel was totally clean right through, so I didn't find a problem, even though there are quite a lot of bad reviews. Anyhow, I'm going to have to move on because they're going to make another announcement now and I'm going to have to stop this video again. I hope you've enjoyed this little series of 5 different accommodations during my stay here in Benidorm. Please give the video a thumbs up, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course hit that notification bell. And most importantly, please subscribe. The channel is growing. I'm off back to Liverpool now for a couple of days, and then I'm back on a plane on Monday off to Lanzarote. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.